Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to quickly remove backgrounds using the Chroma key feature in CapCut. It is a very straightforward process. To begin, import your green screen footage by clicking the Import button. Once your file is loaded, simply drag and drop it onto your timeline. With the clip selected, navigate to the Video tab and select the Cutout section. Check the box for Chroma key, then use the Color Picker tool to select the green area on your screen. After picking the color, use the strength slider to adjust the effect. Moving the slider to the right will make the green disappear. Setting it to around 75 usually works well. To check the edges, zoom into the preview and use the small navigation box in the bottom right corner to inspect the details. Once you are satisfied with the adjustment, you can scale the subject down. To add a new background, move your current clip up to the second track. Next, import your background image or video and place it directly underneath the original footage. Now that the layers are stacked, you can resize the subject and position them anywhere, such as in the corner. That is how you use Chroma key in CapCut. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe. See you next time.